So you are looking to download Jurassic World Evolution 3 Deluxe Edition on your PC, but it is quite expensive, right? Don't worry. In this video I will show you how to download this game on your PC completely legally without overpaying. So what we need to do is quickly open our Google browser, and for the next step we need to search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game. So quickly go to the Steam website, we need to locate this game. So search for the game Jurassic World Evolution 3. Search for the game. After that we will scroll a little bit down and you will find the Jurassic World Evolution 3, but also the Deluxe Edition. The Deluxe Edition on Steam is €74.99, but don't worry, we have a little workaround. What you need to do is open the video description. Click on the link where it says Find Game Here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Here we are going to search for the same game, Jurassic World Evolution 3. Now what you need to do next is select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Once you have done that, we need to scroll a little bit down till we will find the PC version, which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, and we will look for the Deluxe Edition. Now as you can see, we have the Deluxe Edition over here for PC and it can be activated in our country. After that, select the game, open the game page, and you will find out that we can already download this game for just €46.65 compared to the Steam price of €74.99. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do next is purchase this game on this website, and after that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!